Hello my dear students, we are learning exercise 8b, question number 14, sub number 2, 3 and question number 15, 1 from trigonometry. See question number 14, if A equal 30 degree, B equal 60 degree, verify that sub number 2, cos of A plus B equal cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So already you have done question number 14.1. It is a similar question. So the solution C, given we write the value of A 30 degree and B is 60 degree. So left hand side is cos of A plus B. So our first work to write the value of A and B. So what is the value of A? Right here A is 30 degree plus what is the value of B? It is 60 degree. And next work is to add this 30 degree plus 60 degree. So it will be cos 30 plus 60 is what? 90 degree. And what is the value of cos 90? It is 0. Okay, it is 0. And look at right hand side, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So the first work is putting the values of A and B. Cos A is 30 degree, then cos B is 60 degree minus sin A is 30 degree and sin B is what? 60 degree. The next work is to write the values of cos 30, cos 60, sin 30, sin 60 correctly. So what is the value of cos 30? It is root 3 by 2. Here is cos 30 into cos 60. So this is root 3 by 2. We have to give here into. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus sin 30 is 1 by 2, write the value, into here is sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and then we multiply the numerators. Root 3 into 1, it is what? Root 3, and the denominators 2 into 2, it is what? 4, minus this minus will come, then 1 into root 3 is root 3, and this 2 into 2, it is what? 4. So what we see here, root 3 by 4 is plus and root 3 by 4 is minus. So we can cancel them directly. So we get here what is 0. Then value of right hand side is 0 and left side also 0. So we can write therefore left hand side is equal right hand side. Then question is verify. So we can write verified. Verified. And look question number 14 sub number 3. 10 of A plus B is equal 10A plus 10B divided by 1 minus 10A 10B. So similar question, solution, given the values of A and B, we write here A is 30 degree and B is 60 degree. Then left hand side we take 10 of A plus B. Then here our first work is what? Writing the values of A and B. So right here A is 30 degree, then plus B is what? 60 degree. And next work is to add this 30 and 60. It will be what? 10 90 degree, 30 plus 60. And what is the value of 10 30? It is not defined in the table. So we can write here undefined, undefined. Defined, undefined, not defined. If you see the table, the value of 1090 is undefined. Let us take this right hand side, 10A plus 10B by 1 minus 10A 10B. So the first work is to write the value of 10A. It is 30 degree plus 10B. What is the value of B? It is 60 degree. And then 1 minus 10, the value of A right here 30 degree, then into 10, what is the value of B right here? 60 degree. And next work is 1030, write the value 1 by root 3 plus this plus will come, 1060 value is root 3, then below 1 minus 1030 is 1 by root 3 into 1060. So we can give here into the value of 1060 is root 3. Let us do the work here, one line. So here see, below root 3 we will take the denominator 1. So LCM of root 3 and 1, it will be what? Root 3. So divide root 3 by root 3, it is 1, multiply here 1. Then plus root 3 divided by 1, it is root 3, multiply here, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So the first work here is to add this portion, okay, 1 by root 3 plus root 3 by 1. So it comes this, and look at this denominator, 1 minus this root 3 is down, this root 3 is up, we can cancel it. So it remains 1 minus this 1 only. And next line is here, this is 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by root 3, 4 by root 3, and 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So this one directly we can take the value. You see, 4 by root 3, it is a number. Any number divided by 0, the value is not defined. So we can write it direct, undefined. We can write it direct, what is undefined. Why it is undefined? Because any number we divide by 0, the value is what? Not defined. So 4 by root 3 divided by 0, it is undefined. So left side is undefined, right side also undefined. So we can write, therefore left side is equal right hand side. Okay, left side is equal right hand side, we can write then. So we write, therefore left hand side is equal right hand side verified. And look this question number 15, A equals 60 degree and B equal 30 degree. Verify that number 1, sine of A minus B is equal sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So similar question with question number 14 too. See, we have written given A equals 60 degree, B equal 30 degree. So we take the left hand side, sine A minus B. Here is sine, what is the value of A? 60 degree, minus what is the value of B? 30 degree. And subtract here, it will be sine 60 minus 30 is 30 degree. What is the value of sine 30? It is 1 by 2. So that is the value of the left hand side. And do for right hand side, I have written here right hand side, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So see here, sine, write the value of A 60 degree and cos B is what? 30 degree, minus this cos, value of A right here 60 degree, and then value of sine B is what? 30 degree. Then write the value of sine 60, it is root 3 by 2, and then into cos 30 value is also root 3 by 2, minus cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into sine 30 is also 1 by 2. Here is into. The next work, multiply the numerators. Root 3 into root 3 is only 3. Denominators 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into 1 is 1, then 2 into 2 is what? 4. And now we have to subtract 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So we take the LCM of 4 and 4. LCM of 4 and 4 is what? LCM of 4 and 4. We can divide both by 4, so it is 1, 1. Multiplying this, we get 4 into 1 into 1, that is the LCM, 4. So denominators are same, so we can directly subtract 3 minus 1. What is? 2. Then 2 by 4, we cancel by 2, 1, cancel by 2 is what? 2. So we get here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That is the value of right hand side. And what is the value of left side? That also 1 by 2. So we can write, therefore left hand side is equal right hand side verified. The question is verify, so verified. So that is the end of the sum. Okay, thank you my dear students. You keep on watching, we will continue our work.